Today, we're diving into the Evergreen analog audio interconnect cable from AudioQuest. Known for their commitment to quality, AudioQuest has crafted the Evergreen with solid, long-grain copper conductors, ensuring minimal signal loss and superior conductivity. The cable features an asymmetrical, double-balanced geometry, designed to separate positive and negative conductors for a cleaner, more dynamic audio experience. One standout feature is the metal layer noise dissipation system, which shields against radio frequency interference, RFI, without compromising the ground reference. This technology helps maintain a pristine signal, free from unwanted noise or distortion. The polyethylene foam insulation further enhances signal purity by minimizing capacitance and damping. In terms of construction, the Evergreen is built for flexibility and durability, making it easy to maneuver and install in various audio setups. The cold-soldered and gold-plated RCA connectors ensure secure connections and excellent signal transfer. Audio enthusiasts will appreciate the attention to detail in the design of this cable, which aims to deliver a richer, more immersive audio performance. Whether connecting your amplifier to speakers or integrating it into a complex home theater system, the Evergreen promises reliability and high fidelity. Overall, if you're looking to upgrade your audio setup with a cable that prioritizes quality construction and performance, the Evergreen Analog Audio Interconnect Cable RCA to RCA from AudioQuest deserves serious consideration.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.